So audio, video, everything is perfect. Just reply in the chat box, all of you. Just reply in the chat box, all of you, please. First, before starting the session, please. Yeah, thanks, Surya. Before starting the session, so let us fix our agenda for today. Today, we are going to be discussing what is DevOps. Today, we are going to be discussing what is DevOps, guys, please. What is DevOps? What is DevOps? In tomorrow, we are going to be understand what is AWS. So today our agenda is what is DevOps. Tomorrow we are going to be discussing about what is AWS. So guys, please, that is an exactly agenda. So before starting the session, so just course overview. Let us discuss about course overview. Yeah. So this course is designed for complete DevOps, complete AWS, Linux basics, and shell script. So the total duration is 4 months plus. 4 months plus. So in that 4 months, DevOps duration will be 75 days. AWS duration will be 45 days. 45 days, guys, please. 45 days, guys, please, all of you. Understood? And so if you want to join in this course, which are all the prerequisitions? So Linux basics is required. Linux basics is required. Linux basic is required. That I will be covered. Shell script is required. That I will be covered. No programming is required. No programming is required. And to practice AWS and DevOps, you require a configuration, laptop configuration. So Windows 10 Pro, 4 GB RAM, i3 process. So who can join in this course, please? Who can join in this course? Yes, freshers can join in this course. Experience, like developers, testers, AWS admin, Linux administrator, Windows administrator, DB administrator, or any non-IT students can join in this course. Coming into the executions, any graduate like BSc Computers, MCA, MBA, BTech, MTech, or any graduate can join in this course. So if you join in this course, so which are all the benefits you're going to be getting? Daily class recording videos. Daily class recording videos will send to the mail after the payment. After the payment, you will receive daily class recordings via Google Drive. These recording sessions you can able to access up to 11 months from date of registration. So resume preparation, I'm going to be helping you. Interview question and answers, I'm going to be helping you. So live 4 projects, real-time live projects, I will be show you within this duration of this course. And 80% of software materials I will be covered, will be provided. Our classes starts from basic level. Our classes starts from basic level and it ends with an advanced level, guys, please. Our classes starts from basic level ends with an advanced level, and each and every class I will be showing you in front of you practically. So first we should understand theoretically, then the same thing will implement practically each and every class. So after completion of this course, you will get a course completion certificate. This certificate only for freshers, not for experienced. The certificate only for what? Freshers, not for experience. So coming into the timings and fees, daily 1 hour session at exactly 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. So classes are Monday to Saturday. You are going to be paying 12,000 rupees for full DevOps course, for full AWS course, daily class recordings. For daily class recordings, guys, please. If you want to talk to admin, please feel free talk to admin for recording admin kind of questions. Yeah. But if you want to see my course content, sir, how exactly, what exactly going to be covering this 4 months of duration, you can able to see this content, please. Just to copy paste in the browser, you have to see first document is course overview, which I explained right now. The second document, course DevOps content. The third document, AWS content. If you see DevOps content, totally roughly 18 pages of content. Totally 18 pages of content. Please look at once this document. Then in AWS, what exactly we are going to be covering, please. Totally 9 pages of content. Please go through this once. Just I'm going to be share in the chat box the link. Please copy paste in a notebook. Please copy this link in the chat box. Please copy this link in the chat box, please. All of you, perfectly. So after successfully, so please verify. Yeah. So this, look at this course overview of also, please. Yeah. It is an exactly course overview of this, please. So let us start our demonstration. Before starting the demonstration, let me introduce myself. My name is Lakshmi Rao. Totally, I have 15 years of experience in IT. My career starts as Java developer. And then I turned as a DevOps engineer. From last 5 years onwards, I'm working as a senior DevOps engineer as well as AWS Cloud. That is in exactly my introduction. So before starting to understand what is the DevOps, I'm going to be ask you these 3 questions. First, we need to clarify these 3 questions, please. What are the first question, please? What is an application? What is an application? Then the second question is, what is a server? And the third question is, what is SDLC? What is SDLC? What is an application? What is server? What is SDLC? So tell me, what is an application? The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. Then that application we are going to be placing on servers. After successfully placing on servers, we can able to access over an internet as a Flipkart.com. like redbus.com, book my show, whatever maybe, please. So let me repeat this point one more time. What is an application? What is the server? What is an application, guys? Please, the working software which is written any programming language, we calling as an application. That application we are gonna be placing on servers. We're gonna be placing on servers. After successfully placing on servers, then there itself we are gonna be accessing over an internet as a website. I hope you understood what is an application, what is the server. But what is the third question? What is SDLC? Guys, please reply to me. Who don't know what is SDLC, please reply in the chat box. Who don't know SDLC, please reply in the chat box. Quickly, I'm waiting for a reply. Who don't know SDLC? Who don't know SDLC, please? Yeah. Thank you, Lakshmi Khan. Very good. So what is SDLC, please? Software Development Lifecycle. SDLC in the sense of what? Software Development Lifecycle. By helping of SDLC, we can able to produce a working software, then placing on server side, and we are going to be accessing as a website. That is a motto of our SDLC. So let us understand this in SDLC. In SDLC, we have an analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. Totally how many, please? How many stages? Analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy. By following the stages or phases, we can able to produce a working software. We can able to produce a working software, guys, please. Understood? Okay. So to understand SDLC, let us give one real-time example. So for example, if you want to construct the house, so can able to build overnight? Can able to build a house overnight? Is it possible? Answer is no. How, please? First, we need to gather the information like iron cost, cement cost, bricks cost. After gathering information, we require a plan. According to the plan, we're going to be start building like floor, beams, walls, slab, plumbing, electrical, plastic, paints, and ceramic. So these are all the stages we need to go through that. The same way, if you want to produce a Flipkart kind of application, so we need to go through this, we need to pass through these all the stages. Analysis is nothing but what? Gathering information from the client. Gathering information from the client. What exactly the client wants, either maybe registration page or login page, payment gateway, tracking your orders, and each and every information gathering from client, and it will be analyzed. After analyze, so our architects will design, that means plan. According into the plan, our developers will write lines of code by using any programming language like Java. So after completion of writing software, whether it is working or not, our testers will execute our test cases. So by verifying by test cases, if there is no bugs and errors, it will be deploying on production environment. It will be deploying on production environment. After successfully deploying on production environment, production service, then there itself we are gonna be accessing over an internet as a website. So after successfully accessing after successfully accessing over an internet. So whether this website is working or not, we are going to be monitoring and maintenance. We are going to be monitoring and maintenance. This whole story we are calling as what? SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. By using SDLC, we can able to develop the software, alter the software, maintain the software, and replay the software system. So it includes planning, design, build, test, and deploy. It includes planning, design, build, test, and deploy. On SDLC, we are going to be implementing our DevOps process. DEV is nothing but development. OPS is nothing but what? Operation. The combination of software development plus operation we call as DevOps. Software development plus operations we call as what? DevOps. We call as what? DevOps. DevOps is not a technology like Java.NET Python. It is not at all technology. DevOps is a process. DevOps we call as a process. While implementing this process, we need to follow set of rules and principles. Set of rules and principles. DevOps start from dev environment, ends with an operation. That means we're part of coding, build, we're part of code, build, test, release, deploy, operation, and monitoring. To be frankly, we are not writing any code. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are gonna be in implementing a process from dev environment to production environment. Dev environment to production environment. That is an exactly job done by us. Understood? While implementing DevOps process, we need to make sure, so within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost, we are going to be delivering from dev environment to production environment. It is an exactly DevOps process. So if you want to implement DevOps process, which are all advantage, which are all the key features we are going to be getting. So the first feature is we can deliver our applications, means a software into the production environment very fastly, very frequently, and we are going to be deploying very easily and improve the number of deployments also. We can increase the quality. We can increase quality. Highest quality, please. We are going to be improving quality. We are going to be spending lowest cost. Spending lowest cost with low failure rate. These are all the features of DevOps. That is the reason current industry wants to move DevOps process. Understood very clearly, all of you? But as a DevOps engineer, what we are going to be doing? So as a DevOps engineer, we are going to be replacing with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. Complex pipeline with transparent pipeline. The complex pipeline we are calling as an SDLC process. Transparent pipeline we calling as DevOps process. But why complex? Why transparent? Let us understand, please. So why we calling complex? Because of While delivering working software from analysis to design, design to implementation, implement testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance, it is a manual process. It is a manual process. It is a manual process. While delivering in manual process, if we got any issue, any bug, any error in the middle, to identification, to resolve the issue, it will take long time. For identification, it will take long time. For resolving also, it will take long time. Example, to understand. For your understanding, why we calling as a complex. Let us go for a real-time example of a water pipeline. This water pipeline is an underground. For example, somewhere else is a blockage. To identification this block, it will take long time. For resolving this issue also, it will take long time. How the employees are working here? Very difficult because if it is a complex. It is not easy. So that is the reason. So we are going to be replacing with what? A transparent pipeline. Everything will be automated. Everything will be visualized. Somewhere else it is a blockage. Easily we can able to identify. Easily we can able to resolve this issue because if everything is transparent, everything is an automated. The same way our DevOps process also. The same way our DevOps process also. So we are going to be implementing a transparent automated process from dev environment to operation. So in case of any bug, any error in the middle, to identification, to resolve this issue within no time we can do that because if it is an automated, because if it is a transparent. So actually we are going to be implementing as a DevOps engineer. So this is an exactly process. It is a high-end diagram of DevOps process. In this DevOps transparent pipeline. So we have a plan, code, integration, test, release, deploy, and operations. And operations, guys, please. So to be frankly, we are not part of planning. We are not writing any code. We are not writing any test cases. As a DevOps engineer, we are gonna be implementing a DevOps transparent automated process. DevOps transparent automated process. While implementing a DevOps automated process, make sure whether we are going to be delivering software within a shortest time with the high quality, low cost. That is an exactly so points we need to verify. So this is an exactly our DevOps process. But let us understand a little bit deeper. So on each and every stage, what exactly roles and responsibilities we should understand. So planning is not responsible, forget about this. But coding, who is writing code? The code is the software, the lines of code is written by developers. That code is going to be maintaining by DevOps engineer. Writing is responsible by developers. Maintaining is responsible by the DevOps engineers. So after successfully writing by developers, that code it's going to be made. Please let me repeat one more time. How many developers are going to be please here? N number of developers continuously writing. N number of developers continuously writing code. That all developer source code, all developer source code, we have to merge. We need to combine by helping of CSV, by helping of CSV. So, and each and every developer continuously writing code. That all developer source code we are going to be integrating by helping of CSV automatically. After combining all all developer lines of code, we will be get a comprehensive of source code. We will be get a comprehensive of source code. After successfully combine, after successfully combine we will be get a comprehensive source code. That source code, whether it is working or not, our test cases will be execute automatically. These test cases are written by tester, just we are going to be integrating only. These test cases are automatically executing, and if you got any error, any bug, it is redirecting back to the developer automatically. Developer has to fix the issue, again integrate, continuously integrating. CA is nothing but what? Continuously integrating. Okay, after integrating, again test case will be executing. If we got error or a bug, again integrate, again send back to developer, integration test. This loop will be repeated until 0 errors, 0 bugs. 0 errors and 0 bugs. And this, the working software as an application. What is an output of testing environment? The working software as an application, ready to deploy but not in the line. So we are gonna be hold or halt in release. The working software as an application ready to deploy on production, that will hold on release. Just we are going to be halt the working software in a particular period of time. The duration is nothing but what? Release. So from release on a scheduled time, maybe weekly once or monthly once, we are going to be placing on this on a hundreds of servers. We are going to be placing on hundreds of servers, we calling as what? Deploy. After successfully deploying on production servers, then there itself we are gonna be accessing over an internet as a website, Flipkart or whatever. Got it? So whether this website is working or not, we are gonna be monitor and maintenance. This entire flow we calling as what? DevOps process. While implementing this DevOps transparent automated process, we need to make sure shortest time, highest quality, lowest cost. That is exactly our prior goal. So for implementing this DevOps process, we are going to be learning some tool stack. Which are all tool stack we are going to be learning? Let us look at once. We are going to be learning Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube. So these are all the tools. We are gonna be using for CI/CD process, continuous integration, continuous delivery. Continuously we are integrating our developer source code, making working software by executing test cases. We are going to be delivering into the release, continuously integrating, making working software, and continuously we are delivering into the release. For this process, for implementing this process, we are going to be learning Git version control. Maven is a build tool. Jenkins is an automation tool. JFrog is an artifactory. SonarQube is a code analyzer. By helping of these all the tools, we are gonna be implementing continuous integration, continuous delivery, CI/CD process. After completion of this process, we are gonna be delivering our working software as an application into the production service. Means on how many servers, guys, please? These hundreds of servers. These hundreds of servers, how we are going to be automate? How we are going to be an automate? How we are going to be an automate? By helping of configuration management. By helping of configuration management. What is the configuration management? Instead of manual configuration process, replace with an automated process. Means, so server by server, server 1, server 2, server 3, server 4, server 100, we have 100 servers here, and each and every server, if you want to configure, like creating files, changing files, creating users, installing software, copying files, whatever activity, if you do manually, server by server, it will take long time. That is not easy. But what we want to do that, please, simply we are going to be an automated by helping of configuration. How exactly? So we are going to be automate our production environment, testing environment, dev environment by helping of configuration management support. This configuration management supporting CHAP or Ansible. Ansible is a push model, CHAP is a pull model. So we are going to be learning one push model, one pull model. But these hundreds of servers, from where exactly we can able to get it? These hundreds of servers we have, we're going to be deploying on which servers? From where exactly, guys? Yeah, from AWS. We are going to be getting hundreds of servers from AWS cloud. On top of hundreds of servers, we are going to be deploying, means placing our application by using Ansible and CHAP. Ansible and CHAP. Not only placing on AWS servers, we can place on Docker containers also. If anybody asks you what is a Docker container, if anybody asks you what is a Docker container, Docker is a container. By using Docker container, easily we can able to place or deploy our applications like Flipkart or Amazon kind of applications. So by using Docker containers, we can able to reduce the cost, increase the performance. Reduce the cost, increase the performance. And cost is reduced, the quality will be increased definitely. And we can able to use properly our resources like RAM, CPU, motherboard, or whatever may be. But these Docker containers, we can able to manage by Kubernetes. Simply, I can say. So it is a container. So how exactly this containers works? The same way our Docker containers also. Yeah. But these containers are going to be maintaining or managing by ship. The ship is what exactly, please? The ship is an exactly what? Kubernetes. By helping of Kubernetes, we can able to manage or control all my Docker containers. So next tool we are going to be using is please Vagrant. Vagrant is a virtual provisioning tool. By using Vagrant, By using background, we can able to create a virtual machines, create a virtual machines in your laptops, like in developer laptop. So by helping background, we can able to make easier development environment. And we're going to be learning Negios. We can able to monitor what is the system load, user load, what is the CPU, what is this, what is the mother, what is the RAM. So we can able to monitor system monitoring. By using ELK, we can able to monitor application. Each and every application internally generating logs. Those logs will be monitored by ELK, Elastic Log Stacks Hibernate. These are all three tools we are going to be monitoring. By helping of these three tools, we can able to monitor each and every application logs in the background, and it will be generate reports and statistics. And we are going to be learning Terraform. Terraform is a cross cloud platform. By using this Terraform, we can able to create infrastructure like servers, network, storage, whatever may be. In AWS, on Azure, on Google, it is a works cross cloud platform. So by helping of these are all the tools like Git, Maven, Jenkins, JFrog, SonarQube, Ansible, Chef, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Vagrant, Negios, ELK, and Terraform, we are going to be implementing our DevOps process. Our DevOps process, guys, please. So while implementing DevOps process, it's required a infrastructure. That infrastructure we are going to be getting from AWS. So today we understood very clearly what is DevOps. Tomorrow we are going to be understand what is AWS and what is the difference between DevOps versus and AWS, please. DevOps versus and AWS. Got it very clearly. So this is exactly what is DevOps today. So before taking your questions, let us share one more time. So this is exactly my admin information. So this is my course content link. Got it. And we will meet tomorrow with the same link. So tomorrow we will meet with same link, please. Same meeting link. Understood very clear, Lala. Perfect. So before taking questions, let us revise one more time what is the course. So total duration of this course is 4 months. In this 4 months plus whatever may be. So DevOps it will take 75 days. AWS it will take 45 days. Linux basics I will be covered. Shell script I will be covered. No programming is not required. So we require a laptop to practice. Freshers can join. Any experience also can join. So any graduate can join in this course. So which are all the benefits? Daily recordings will be sent via Google Drive after payment. 11 months access from date of registration. So resume preparation I'm going to be helping you. Interview question and answers, yes. For live, real-time live projects I will be covered. 80% of soft material. So course starts with the basic level, finish with an advanced. you will receive for freshers. Course completed certificate will be received. Daily 1 hour class at 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. Classes are Monday to Saturday. 12,000 fees, 12,000 rupees fee for full DevOps course, full AWS for daily class recordings. Clear all of it, please. So it is in exactly my admin number. So it is my course content link. So that is exactly my end, guys, please. So do you have any questions, please? Any questions, please ask me. I'll reply to you, please. Gopi, Lakshmikant, Rajesh, Sayak, Shiva, Shivashankar. Akhil, Ganesh, Kiran, Karthik, Karthi, Manjunath, Manohar, Ali, Venkatesh, Raju, Suresh. Yeah. So Shayak, please. So why course complete certification only for freshers? It is a certificate, Shayak, please. Because if after completion of certification, so from our institute, so this course is completed by this candidate, maybe Shayak. The certificate only for freshers, but not experience. If you already show 2 years of experience, it won't help you, am I right, Shayak? So if you take a training, how exactly can able to show an experience? That is the reason course completed certificate will help you for freshers, not for experience. Yeah. Sharma, please wait. I will discuss with you. And so, yeah. So, Saurabh. So I have a 10 years of experience. I will be able to clear interview after this. Yeah, you can, please. Ganesh. So I have done BE in 2015. MTech in 2001, so I should apply for as a freshers. Yeah, go for freshers or experience. Choice was Ganesh. So better to choose an freshers first. If we can't, then go for experience, please. 8:30, please. Ramana, 8:30. 8:30 to 9:30. Course timing also same. What exactly demonstration timing? The same classes also running. It's required to learn all the DevOps tools. Yes. For learning is important to all the tools. Maybe while working, maybe we are using only 50% of tools, not for all. Work location is different, but before getting a job, while go for interview, so we should be learn these are all the tools. Yes, Ramana, Saurabh, yes. Regarding payments, talk to admin. They will help you, please, Raman. Regarding payments, our admin will help you. Please do that. Please call to admin number which I provided. They will help you do that. Don't worry, please. Any questions, please? Any questions, please? So what will the project Sarma project is nothing but what? So we are going to be discussing so many modules. Okay. For example, we'll consider AWS model. Okay. In AWS model, we should understand from the scratch. So what is Ansible? What are all the components in Ansible? Should understand each and everything. And end of the model, we'll do one project, one use case. So one real-time requirement or task or project. What am I going to do that? So if you given a task on Ansible, how you are going to be present, that I will be provide in live classes into implement. That will consider the project. You covering first AWS DevOps. That depends, Lakshmi Khan. So it will be covered both. DevOps will be covered, AWS will be covered. 100% AWS, 100% DevOps will be covered. Sharma, got it? Got the answer from my end? So are we going to be deploy any Java project on AWS servers? Yes, we are going to be deploying our Java application on AWS servers by using DevOps. I'll repeat one more time, Sharma. Listen very carefully. We are going to be deploying Java application on AWS infrastructure like servers by using DevOps process. Any other questions, please? Any questions, please? Still, you have any questions, any doubts? Sharma, if you want to talk to me, please reply, or else you clarify doubts. Yeah. One second. First, I need to talk to Sharma first. So we are using AWS Cloud, Raman. We are going to be using AWS. Each and everything will be cloud, not in your laptop. Sharma, can you unmute? You can talk to me, please. So Gopi, you need to hard work. So you need to do hard work, Gopi. So it is not difficult if you are to spend time for do hard work to follow my classes. It will be easy. This I'm trying to. Yeah, please talk to me right now.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, please, Sharma.
Yes, sir. Actually, so currently I'm working as a backend developer, and I want to, like along with the backend skills, mainly Spring Boot, I want to explore the DevOps and the AWS part as well. It's being used in my company. So I just have a few doubts regarding it. Like the first one was like, are we going to deploy any Java project on AWS? But you have already answered that. Then second thing, are we going to use the load balancers as well? Because it's one of the like important point.
Yeah. So those things will be covered. Don't worry. Look at my content. You can able to see. So load balance will be covered. We're going to be deploying Java application. Yes, altogether.
Okay.
If you see the content, you can able to understand. So these 2 points will be covered. Which you ask these 2 questions will be.
And what about like I haven't gone through the like I just got the document regarding the syllabus and all. Are we going to do the Jenkins as well? Like yeah, you mentioned the Kubernetes. I don't really know much the difference about them, but the Jenkins is being used in my company.
Yeah. Jenkins. Jenkins, please tell me what is the question. Repeat.
Yeah, Jenkins is part of the this course, right?
Yes, obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
So I mentioned here,
I think the initial slide I missed.
Jenkins we mentioned, Docker I mentioned, Kubernetes also mentioned. So we're going to be learning in depth. CI/CD it will take 3 weeks of time. Docker and Kubernetes we're going to be discussing 3 weeks of time.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. So that's it for today, guys. Please. So we'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue tomorrow, guys. Please. Thanks a lot. Thanks, buddies. So do you have any question? Please ask me, or else we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow, please. That's my hand, please.